Job 2:25 reads, "And I'll restore to you the years that the locust hath eaten." To restore means to bring back to the original or better condition. God not only heals the wounded heart, he restores it better than before. God makes up for lost time, lost peace, lost hope, and restores what was stolen. A master restorer doesn't just fix a broken vase, he makes it shine and more valuable. He fills the cracks and makes them beautiful. Remember, Naomi lost everything, but God restored joy through Ruth and Boaz. Don't just pray for healing, believe for restoration. God will give you double for your trouble. God doesn't just patch you up, he polishes you and prepares you for what is next. Therefore, we must expect God to bring complete restoration. What the enemy stole, what somebody's done to you, God can restore what was taken from you. Remember, Job received double for his trouble.